Okay. Okay, then if we will have still have a moment, then now we are trying to share with the Ethiopian business player here. Now it's time for Mr. Michael Johnny. He's ready. I saw him. I see him. He's already. He will share to you with a short presentation how to enter the Indonesian market. Yeah, Indonesian, especially for the modern market. Yeah, because you know the Indonesian, like Pak Yongki presented before earlier, that Indonesian income is getting higher, and higher, and also the lifestyle. Then Pak Johnny, please do the presentation.
Okay, Pak Tito, I share my screen first.
Okay, we can see it already.
Okay, already can see.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Yeah,
Can you do the slideshow, Pak?
Can. Okay. Can see Pak Tito?
Sure, please.
Okay.
Proceed.
Okay, good morning for Addis Ababa. Maybe now it's already lunchtime. Yeah. Good afternoon for Indonesia. Yeah, I think all the people already tired. Yeah. And yeah, more sleepy now. I will take only around 5 minutes until 10 minutes. Will faster to introduce about Indonesia and how to enter Indonesia market. First, I will introduce first about me. I have experience around 23 years in the sales and marketing. I work for two big companies in Indonesia. First is Orang Tua Group. They produce a lot of biscuit and food product. The second is Sinarmas Group, very big group in Indonesia, maybe number one or number two, the richest company in Indonesia. Now I'm in AP3ME as an international relation for AP3ME and help to introduce AP3ME to overseas. The second, after I resigned from the Orang Tua and Sinarmas, I start to build my own business. I'm now as a CEO at the PT Duacu Indonesia. Is a management and administration service company. Also business consultant. I also as a CEO at the PT Wijaya Kusuma or ISMI PET Ltd in Singapore. We export and import. Also, we have distribution company. I have distribution company in Indonesia. This is the short introduce about me. Next, I will introduce about AP3ME. AP3ME is an Indonesia Modern Markets Supplier Association. Yeah. Now AP3ME members more than 130 companies in Indonesia. And AP3ME members is exporter, importer, manufacturer, also distribution in Indonesia, and they also export their product to the overseas. AP3ME members, yeah, from food company until beverage. Food company like biscuit, snack, and others. Also non-food company like personal care, cosmetic, also cleaning product, and also beverage company like juice, ready to drink, tea, milk, jelly. You can see a lot of big company in our members like Mayora, also the Orang Tua Group, Garuda Food, Dua Kelinci, Ayam Brand, Sari Ayu, and others. Many big company in our association. And how to enter Indonesia market? Yeah, basically how to enter Indonesia market. Pak Yongki already explained a little bit about Indonesia market and also explained about Indonesia retail condition. If you see Indonesia, Pak Yongki also explained about Indonesia. the big contribution is Java Island. Java Island have contribution around 67%. Yeah, you can see this is Java Island, and this is Sumatra, this is Kalimantan, this is Sulawesi Island, and the last is a Papua Island. Indonesia have big population. Yeah, you can see Indonesia have more than 17 and 500 island. Yeah, 34 province and 270 million people. To enter Indonesia, you need to see how the infrastructure in Indonesia, also the culture in Indonesia, language, people, system. All this is very important if you want to enter Indonesia market. Now our government built a lot of new route. Yeah, will be connect from the east to west and north to south. Also, you need to see Indonesia culture. Indonesia have many language, the local language. Yeah, also people, also every island have a different style of people. That's why if you want to enter Indonesia market, you need to have a good system and how to build the good system in Indonesia. If you see store in Indonesia, now Indonesia have more than 3 million store for the general trade and have 51,000 outlet for the modern trade. The business contribution, general trade have contribution around 70% and modern trade around 30%. And Pak Yongki also explained about online. Online, I think only 1% in Indonesia. You can see all the big key account in Indonesia, yeah, like Alfamart, Indomart. These two big key account already have around 30,000 store in Indonesia. Then they have 30 until 35% of the Indonesia modern trade sales contribution. And you can see how to enter Indonesia market for the consumer product. Basically, if you as a manufacturer, you need to have partner in Indonesia. Example, you have sole distributor here, or you join with the local company in Indonesia. Yeah, this is the best way, I think, if you want to enter Indonesia. Others, you build your own company in Indonesia, but this is, of course, have many regulation in Indonesia you need to follow. If you see retail market in Indonesia, yeah, I talk about sole distributor or importer. Yeah, after the importer import your product, or after the registration your product in Indonesia, they need to have distributor at every city in Indonesia. Example, one city have one distributor. And from this distributor, they will go through to the general trade. They will go through to the modern trade, local modern trade, and also key account. And also the others channel like Horeca, or also industry channel. But some big account, sometimes from the sole distributor, they deal direct to the key account. This is for cut the cost or to make it easy to deal with the big key account. And other thing, if you enter to Indonesia market, you also need to see your trademark registration. You need to registration your trademark in Indonesia. And also you need to follow Indonesia regulation. How to enter Indonesia, how to get your distribution or license in Indonesia. This is important if you want to enter Indonesia market. I think this is the short presentation from me. Maybe we go to the question and answer. Yeah, you can see what you want to ask, and I try to explain about Indonesia market and how to enter Indonesia market. Pak Tito, thank you, Pak Tito. I will stop. Just start already. Okay.
Thank you for the presentation. What a nice presentation.